Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about business grants for Black-owned businesses, as well as Hispanic and Latino-owned businesses. These grants go up to $1 million. One of the grants go up to $1 million. This is going to be some really good information. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. If you want to see more videos like this and videos about business credit, personal credit, and more. Also, we are doing a Cash App giveaway for the month of April. I will be picking winners at the end of the month. So in order to win, you need to be subscribed. Also, you need to comment your Cash App username down below. I will be randomly picking subscribers from different videos that I have uploaded in the month of April, and I'll be picking comments from those random videos with users or with subscribers' Cash App usernames, and we're going to be sending out money through Cash App for gas or whatever you want to use it on. This is to show appreciation for my subscribers and my viewers who view this content. So make sure that you comment down below if you want to enter into that giveaway. Also, the DIY credit repair ebook bundle is on sale right now for $49. It is 50% off. Also, you can learn how to actually clean your credit reports, and you also get bonus information on no credit check builder accounts. I give you a list. I'm still adding more and more credit builder accounts that require no credit check. Is going to boost your score up. If you add all of these no credit check accounts to your credit report, it's going to boost your score up quite a bit, as well as a secret lenders list. Link is in the description if you want to go ahead and get this DIY credit repair ebook bundle. Okay, so the first grant that we're going to talk about is the Black Ambition Prize. Applications are open. So this is for not only for Black entrepreneurs, but also Latinx entrepreneurs as well. We're going to explain more about that here in a second. So this is the one that goes up to $1 million. So after this grant, don't click off of the video because I have a few more grants, and those go up to $20,000 and $10,000. So you definitely want to watch the whole video so you can maximize your funding opportunities. Okay, so the Black Ambition Prize was launched on March 7th, 2022. I believe I talked about this one last year as well. The deadline is May 8th, 2022. It's two parts to this prize. One is for HBCU entrepreneurs, and the other one is for non-HBCU entrepreneurs. So they have a total of $2 million that they're giving out. Also, you can apply for this if you are a startup. Okay, so eligible applicants consist of Black and Latinx innovators building early stage ventures across 5 distinct categories. So in order to apply, your business needs to be in one of these 5 categories. So it needs to be a consumer product or service. You can also be in the healthcare industry, media and entertainment, technology, and also Web 3.0. Also, you need to have a minimum of 2 people on your team or on your application. There is no maximum team size. The minimum amount that you can get is $25,000, and the maximum, of course, is $1 million. Multiple people will be selected, and then one person is going to win the $1 million prize. So again, you can apply if you are a Black entrepreneur, a Latinx entrepreneur, or if you are a HBCU alumni, or you're currently attending an HBCU college and you are also an entrepreneur. So a little bit more about the requirements. You have to be a for-profit venture. Nonprofits are not eligible for this particular opportunity. We talked about the different 5 categories. Also, you need to be legally incorporated in the United States. If you are not incorporated just yet, you need to intend to go ahead and incorporate in the United States. Also, you need to have demonstrated progress against a business concept as illustrated by a minimum viable product and or existing consumer base. Also, you have to have less than $1 million raised in dualative funding at the time of applying for the award. All founding team members must be at least 18 years old. Eligible teams must include at least one founding member that identifies as Black, African, African American, and or Hispanic, Latino, Latina, Latinx. So, of course, a founding team member is a CEO, vice president, or any person at the C level, like CFO, COO, etc. Each team must have a minimum of 2 members. Now, the other team member should be like an employee or a contractor or something like that. Now, when it comes to the HBCU part or the other the HBCU grant, that is separate. It's 2 different grant prizes here. One is for non-HBCU attenders or alumni, and the other one is for HBCU affiliated individuals. So you can be a current student, a recent alumni within 2 years of graduating, a former student within 2 years of attending the institution. You also, of course, have to be Black, African American, and or Hispanic, Latino, Latina, or Latinx. So that's pretty much it for the Black Ambition Prize. Again, the deadline is May 8th. That's when the applications close. They're going to select the finalists and the mentor cohorts in June of 2022. And then the finalists are announced in August of 2022, so on and so forth. Now, our second grant is the Fearless Strivers Grant Contest. Now, this is for Black women-owned small businesses. This is a $10,000 grant. This is only for Black women-owned businesses in select cities. You'll get a $10,000 grant with tools to help you grow your business online and one-on-one mentorship to further help grow your business. You can apply if you are in Atlanta, Birmingham, Dayton, Los Angeles, New Orleans, New York City, or St. Louis. So the national program has monthly entry periods every single month. Now, when it comes to St. Louis, their entry period is from the 1st of April to the 17th of April. So if you are in St. Louis, Missouri, you want to go ahead and hurry up and apply. The time of recording this video is April 8th, 2022. So you have 1 week, a little over 1 week to apply if you are in St. Louis. And here are some of the mentors for this program. So this is a pretty good program. They do a monthly grant to help out Black women-owned small businesses. So you definitely want to check this out if you are in one of these cities that I mentioned. Also, you do not have to pay to actually enter into win this particular grant. In order to be eligible, of course, you have to be 18 years old or older. And also, your small business has to have less than $3 million in revenue. Now, the age requirements actually vary by state. So you're going to have to look at this to see which state you are in, to see if you are actually old enough to apply or not. So that's pretty much it for this particular grant. This is the official rules page. I will leave links in the description. So the last program is the Manos Accelerator program. This is for Latino startup companies. I believe they are offering up to $20,000. They are looking to help startups actually scale their business and grow their businesses in the marketplace. This also includes a 3-month virtual program. Month 1, they teach you how to prepare to pitch for investors, how to build a financial portfolio for investors. They also teach growth hacking for startups. And then month 2, they match you up with a mentor from Silicon Valley. And then month 3, you'll get introduced to an angel investor. Now, this is a really big opportunity for the Latino startups. This is sponsored and partnered with Samsung Next, Brex, Amazon, eBay, DocuSign, Salesforce, Facebook, Silicon Valley Bank, Google Launchpad, and more. So the link for this will be in the description. Here are some perks for actually joining this program. You get $20,000 in cloud and Firebase credit, access to Google engineers for office hours, and in-depth one-on-one architecture reviews, 24/7 technical support. You also get Amazon Web Services for 12 months. You get hosting credits up to $15,000. You can also get a Silicon Valley bank account with no fees on international wires for 1 year. So it's a lot of perks for this particular program. Again, link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. I do talk about business credit, personal credit, and business grants quite often on this channel. And I talk about a lot of stuff that not a lot of YouTubers talk about. I actually talk about a lot of stuff first on this channel. A lot of different grants I talk about before anybody else. So make sure that you're subscribed. Also, comment your Cash App down below if you want to enter to win in the Cash App giveaway at the end of April. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.